and welcome to my channel, All Things with El. Today I'm going to be showing you how I make this delicious dish. It's called Gizdodo. It's a combination of plantain and gizzard all mixed together in pepper sauce. The two main ingredients are gizzard and plantain. To cook the gizzard, we'll need the following ingredients. Firstly, wash and clean the gizzard thoroughly. Make sure to peel off the linings that usually covers the gizzard. Adding the spices, do not add water at this time. Cover and leave to cook for about 10 minutes so that the gizzard can take in some of the spices. Now time to add some water. I used about 450 ml of water. In the meantime, let's prepare the plantain. Cut off the two ends of the plantain and run a knife along the skin and peel it off. Now cut the plantain into cube-like pieces. So this is what you should end up with. By now you will notice that the stock is now reduced and is concentrated. Check that you're happy with the texture of the gizzard by tasting it. Take out the gizzard and set aside to cool down. We will be using the gizzard stock to prepare the gizzard sauce later. Now turning our attention back to the plantain, add a pinch of salt and mix well. Now cut the cold gizzards into small pieces. Note, it will shrink when fried. About the same size as the size of the plantains. Here I'm frying the gizzard in the same oil used in frying the plantains. Be careful not to over fry the gizzards because the longer you fry, the tougher the outer layer of the gizzards become. Now that we have the two main ingredients cooked, it's time to prepare the sauce. For the pepper sauce, you will do the following. Chop or dice the onion, but I've chopped and diced the onion, because why not? I like my Gizdodo to be really colourful, so I've chopped and diced my green and yellow peppers. Are you with me? So let's go ahead and make this Gizdodo happen. Keep frying on medium heat. So I am using 2 tin tomatoes here, but any ripe and juicy tomato would work. So now add the red peppers. Thyme. Curry powder. Stock cubes. And mix well. Now add tomato puree. Keep mixing until you can easily see the oil floating on top. Add in the gizzard stock from earlier. Once you're happy with the taste of the sauce, add in the gizzard and the plantain. And the final bit, add in the mixed peppers. And there you have it, a nice and tasty, colourful Gizdodo. I hope you liked this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this, please subscribe, like us and share this video with friends. Thank you very much for watching. Bye.